It seems like you're asking about connecting a Solflare wallet to a DEX, decentralized exchange, in 2025, not 2205. Here's how you can do it. 1. Install Solflare Wallet. If you haven't already, download and set up the Solflare wallet from the official website or App Store for mobile versions. Ensure your wallet is set up with your Solana address and has the necessary funds for transaction fees. 2. Visit a Solana-based DEX. Go to a Solana-based decentralized exchange, DX, such as Serum, Raydium, or Orca. Open the DX in your browser if using a web version. 3. Connect Solflare to the DEX. On the DEX interface, look for the Connect Wallet option. Select Solflare from the list of supported wallets. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Confirm the action in your Solflare wallet. 4. Select the token to trade. Once connected, navigate to the trading section and choose the tokens you want to trade. 5. Complete the transaction. After confirming the trade details, initiate the transaction. You'll be asked to approve the transaction within your Solflare wallet. 6. Check your transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, check your wallet balance to ensure the tokens have been swapped or added. This process allows you to use your Solflare wallet with a DEX for seamless Solana-based token trades. Let me know if you'd like more detailed steps.